I'll show you how to connect this Brother L2640DW printer to your Android smartphone. Could also work with an Android tablet. So let's get started. First thing, we need to connect this Brother printer to your Wi-Fi network. So this is the display. We're going to press the menu button. Then we're going to press this minus button a few times until you have selected network. Press OK. Then go down pressing the minus button until we select WLAN Wi-Fi. Press OK. Press OK once again. It will search for all the Wi-Fi networks around you. Once it has found some Wi-Fi networks, you can shuffle through them using these plus and minus sign until you find your Wi-Fi network. Then you can press OK. And now it's time to input the password using the plus and minus symbol. Okay, and once, let's say, number 1 here is part of my password, press OK, and it will go to the next one, and you do this for all the letters, numbers, and symbols. Press the OK button once you have input your password. Then on the screen here, you're gonna have this. Press the plus button here once. And it will try to connect, then press OK, and this is it. Your printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi router. Let's go on the smartphone. Go on the Play Store. Then what we need to do is to search for the Brother printer app. So I'll go on top here, type Brother, and then we need to download this one over here, Brother Mobile Connect. Do not download another Brother app. This is the one that is compatible with this printer. It looks like this. Press install. Go ahead and open the app. Here I'm going to press I agree with their things and go ahead and press OK. If there is an update that needs to be installed on your Brother printer, you're going to see this and press the OK button if you want to install it. I highly suggest you do. Then you're going to get this screen. Press this first option, register your machine. Your Brother printer should appear in this list. Click on it. Then over here, we can skip this. Press the skip button on the top right corner. Activate later. We don't need that. On the next screen, gonna press maybe later. Again, we don't need that. Press the skip button here. We're gonna get the green check mark. It simply means that the printer is now connected. Great. And now we're going to select Exit Setup. It will bring us on the Brother website. I don't know why they do this. I just want to use the app. So press on this over here. Go back to the actual Brother app we just downloaded. Again, if there is a firmware available, an update available, press OK to install it. In my case, I'll just skip this because I want to show you how to print and how to scan. So how do you print? Very easy. Select print document here. There's also photo print, but this printer only is able to print in black and white, and it's a laser printer. It's not great to print pictures. No one will do that, I think. So press on document print here. It will go on your files on your Android device. So you need to navigate in the folder where the file you want to print is. I'll click on the top left corner here on my Android device, go in downloads. I have downloaded something. I'll open this PDF file. Wait a few seconds, you'll get a preview. If you press the cogwheel icon right over here, you'll be able to change some settings, and depending what you want to print, well, maybe you want to change one of these. Just look at them. It really depends on your project. Then go back and press the print button when you're ready. Your Brother printer should be the one listed here. The printer will print automatically. Now let me show you how to scan. Just need to go on the main menu of the app, press the scan button, and now we have two choices because this printer has a top document feeder if you have a document with multiple pages, and you also have a more traditional scanner over here. If you're using the traditional scanner, place your paper facing down with the top part of the page on the left side. Then you need to align this corner with this corner of, this corner of the paper with this corner of the scanner. glide it until both are touching. Close the lid. And over here, you're going to make sure that these settings are okay with you. So do you want in color or black and white, the document size, the resolution, and press the scan button here. It's scanning right now. And once this is done, press done. You're going to have a preview here, and when you want to save it, you're going to press save over here, or if you want to share it on social media, press the share button. Let me show you how the top document feeder works. So let's say you have a stack of paper here, multiple pages, align them, place them with the top part facing up, and with this side on the left side, I mean the top part of the page. Put them in. Over here, we're going to press scan, and I'll press scan again. The printer will take each page one by one. You don't need to touch anything, and everything will get scanned. If you don't want your paper to fly away, you need to extend this small flap here, I forgot to mention. So all your paper will stay on the printer. And you see all the pages will be shown on your phone being added one by one. Once you're done, press this done button again on the top right corner. Over here, if you press this cog wheel, you'll be able to select which kind of file you want. And if you want to combine all these pages in one PDF file, instead of JPEG, choose PDF. You can even give this a new name over there. Press done when you're okay with this. Go back, and now we can save it or share it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.